Today we're going to go over how to operate a Grasshopper Zero-Turn machine on all our sit-down models. Depending on if it is a fuel-injected or a carbureted Grasshopper, your choke is going to be built into the throttle here. Throttle is located on the right hand of the seat. Parking brake is on the left. When you go to put your levers in, make sure the parking brake is off. PTO is located right here on your operator station. Obviously that'll turn your blades on and off. Make sure that is off before you start the machine. Key is here. Once the machine is running, you will push both levers in. This is going to be your neutral position. To go forward, you will gradually push both levers forward. To make a gradual left turn, you will push the right lever forward more and then the left forward a little bit. And then for the opposite side, to make a right turn, you're going to push your left lever forward more than your right to make a gradual turn. For a true zero turn, you will push one lever forward, one back. This can go either direction depending on which way you want the deck to swing on a front mount machine. Pull the levers apart and this is going to be your machine ready to step off the machine.